Buongiorno, io sono Matteo.
Good morning, I'm Matteo, and today we have Angela with us. We're here to introduce a brand new and innovative product from Seta Lino called Reborn, a reconstruction product specifically designed for all types of hair that has been chemically treated with processes such as bleaching, coloring, straightening, or any other type of cosmetic application that has damaged the hair. Now, the first product we're going to apply is the pre-treatment shampoo to get the hair ready for the reconstructive gel. As you can see, Angela's hair has been bleached, and to the touch it's a bit frizzy. And at the ends it's a little split and open. So now we're going to work on this reconstruction process. Okay, now let's proceed with the first step. We're going to do the pre-treatment shampoo. Okay, after doing the pre-treatment shampoo, we're going to apply the reconstructive gel. We've divided the head into 6 sections and we'll start from the roots, then move to the lengths and ends.
Abbiamo finito l'applicazione.
We've finished applying the product. Now it needs to wait for 15 to 25 minutes. The processing time depends on how stressed and damaged the hair is.
Passato il tempo di posa,
Once the processing time is up, we'll proceed with the first rinse.
sciacquata la seconda fase.
Okay, after rinsing out the second phase, the reconstructive gel, we're going to apply the third product, the laminating fluid. Since it has an alcohol base, it evaporates and turns into a cream.
Una volta finita l'applicazione,
Once the application is finished, let's wait for 3 minutes. Okay, we've rinsed out the third step, and now we'll then move on to the final styling now.
Il trattamento è finito.
The treatment is finished. We've completed it with just the first application. As you can see, the hair is very shiny, but I can also assure you by touch that it feels very different, much softer.
Per avere un effetto ottimale,
To achieve the best results, hair like Angela's should be treated every 15 days for a total of 3 times. Inside the kit, you'll also find the laminating shampoo. It's a maintenance shampoo that should be used together with the laminating fluid, both between reconstruction treatments and after the treatment. It should be used every time you wash your hair. So, on our official website or by simply scanning the QR code on the box, you'll find the complete program for every hair type.